I'm going back to my childhood with one of my all-time favorites, the Sloppy Joe, and I'm showing you just how easy it is to make it home. I'm just going all in. Are you ready? I love any kind of meal that comes together in one pan, and this is no exception. There is no need to pull out that canned stuff to make this. You have everything sitting in your pantry and your fridge, I promise. Start by just browning our ground beef. You wanna use a leaner ground beef because I don't drain it. I just make the sauce straight in here. So you don't want a meat with a bunch of fat in it. We're gonna get that browned and then we're gonna use the drippings to saute our bell pepper and onion. Shockingly enough, my kids don't love Sloppy Joes. I don't understand that. Sloppy Joes made an appearance about once a week on our table as kids. It was a popular babysitter's food. So like if my parents were going out, we would either order pizza or have Sloppy Joes. Once your ground beef has rendered out some of that fat, you can add in your bell pepper and onion and get those all cooking together. You're gonna cook it until your meat is cooked through and your veggies have softened. If you don't like it, leave it out. It's all about the sauce anyway. If you are using a fattier ground beef, you're gonna wanna drain it before you make your sauce. I'm using extra lean ground beef, so we don't have to drain it. We're just gonna add our sauce stuff right in. Sloppy Joes are known for their sweet and salty balance. It's just, to me, the best of both worlds. All right, our meat is browned and our veggies have begun to soften, so now I'm just gonna season it up. This is where you don't have to buy that manwich. You've got everything you need to create your own sloppy sauce. Start with a little salt and pepper, a little garlic powder, some brown sugar, ketchup, and a little mustard. Oh yeah, I just got the whiff. Smells like Friday nights at 9 years old. I'm gonna let this hang out and simmer for about 20 to 30 minutes just to let all those flavors come together. The sauce is gonna remain super thick and rich. It's as easy as that. Now there's lots of ways to serve it up. My husband does a little mayonnaise and cheese. My mom, no extras. It's the bun and the Sloppy Joe mix. It's a one-stop shop. You've got your mustard and ketchup already in here. No need for anything else. And when it comes to the bun, the cheaper the better. You want it to be able to absorb all of this sauce to where it just kind of falls apart when you go to eat it. You also want way more meat mixture than will fit in the bun so that it will spill out, because you have to have something to eat the chips with. And that is my favorite thing to eat a Sloppy Joe with. Some good old potato chips. That will balance out the sweet with a little salty. The humble Sloppy Joe. This is not cafeteria food. To me, this is a comforting classic. I love it. A little bit goes a long way. It's a cheap way to feed your family. So tasty, so delicious. I can't get enough. I purposely overfill my Sloppy Joe so that you get some of the remnants to fall down. It makes the best dip for a good salty potato chip. You know nachos are my favorite food, and this is like a Sloppy Joe nacho in the best way. Even throw a few of those on the sandwich. That's so delicious, definitely nostalgic, and I hope you'll give this recipe a try. Also, what's your favorite food from your childhood? I'd love to recreate it. Let me know in the comments below. See you next time. Sloppy Joe, Sloppy Joe, yeah. That's a wrap.